must-see. While you're here, stock up on our freshly smoked salmon and mouth-watering hickory lemon pepper. That's custom. Of Knife Drive and the Seward Highway in Soldotna, 262-9691.
When you want to know where the fish are being caught, the big ones
and also for independent.
Point with the AJ's Old Town Steakhouse and Tavern Fishing Report. 6 times daily. 6:30, 7:30, and 8:30 in the morning, and 12:30, 2:30, and 5:30 in the afternoon. The AJ's Old Town Steakhouse and Tavern Fishing Report is on Saturdays too. 8:30 in the morning, and 12:30, 2:30, and 5:30.
Border with Syria joining us.
Know the ins and outs.
And that is that these jihadist forces are fighting the Kurds and also fighting the Assad regime. So, in a way, Turkey was fighting indirectly the Kurds, the Syrian regime, which
Number is on Q100, The Point.
Well, me and my lady had our first big fight, so I drove around to the south of Higgins.
in a way, we have to prioritize the fight against ISIL. The dilemma is that the more you fight ISIL, the more the risk of retaliation. Turkey climbed up the border.
And I'm looking half asleep.
Doesn't have the luxury of having this huge buffer with Syria.